The installation begins by deciding where the hardware will be mounted and marking that spot. This can be done by eye or by measurement. Using a little bit of painter's tape allows for marking the door without damage. With the knob height marked, the stile is measured to find the center. This is normally the center of the flat portion, not including any molding on the inside edge. This frame is 2 inches wide, so the mark was made at 1 inch. Measure from the bottom of the door to the mark that was just made. For this door, that measurement is 4 inches. The sliding end stop is set to this measurement along the jig arm, with the center drill guide as the 0 point. And the large stop is set to match the center of the stile we found earlier. In most cases, all of the measurements will be taken from the center drill bushing. The hardware jig is aligned to the door using the 2 stops just set, and the door is drilled through the center guide bushing. To drill the opposite door, the jig is simply reversed. Notice that the hole is being drilled through the door in steps. This technique results in the cleanest possible holes. The cabinet hardware jigs from True Position Tools increase speed and accuracy for professionals and homeowners alike. Learn more by visiting our website at truepositiontools.com.